Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you some cool Midjourney prompts for landscapes. Yes, you heard me correctly. I'm gonna show you how you can create your own amazing landscape art using Midjourney AI. If you don't already know what Midjourney is and what it is capable of, it is an AI which is integrated into Discord, and you can utilize its power through Discord app. You can join their server and you can start creating your amazing artworks, or you can also invite the bot to your own server and create your artworks there. So a Midjourney prompt kind of works like this. Firstly, we have the subject, and then we have detail. I misspelled that, but this is just to show you what the prompt is like. After detail, we have the style, and then we give some parameters to it. Well, the parameters are not really that important, so we're not gonna focus on that, but the other three are important to our prompt. Let me enter into full screen mode, then I'm gonna show you some cool prompts. And the first prompt I'm gonna use is something like an epic fantasy landscape, epic scene, grand scene. Now let's see what this creates for us. As you can see, we have some cool looking landscapes. Now you can play around the settings and do a lot here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remix one of these. So I'm gonna click V1 so we can generate more of those. So it's gonna generate the variations for our image number 1. Since we had like 4 images, I selected V1. I like that most out of them, and it's gonna create more versions based upon that. Wait for it to finish up and then you can see the results. Now there we have some remixed versions of our first image. As you can clearly see, they have redefined them and made them different style than usual, but they still do look quite similar, even though they have very different structure and how they're displayed. Apart from the mountains, the main area look quite different and unique in each image. Now I'm gonna make our original prompt a little better by adding birds into the scene. Let's just do that. Birds flying in the sky. And yeah, looks good. I'm gonna remove this V2 and then press enter. Let's wait and see the results now. And here we have our landscapes with birds into the scene. Some really nice looking images. Now the next cool thing we can do with this, we can upscale any of these images. Meaning, as you can see, they are not really in a good resolution and they're all stacked together. But what if we wanted only one of those images? For example, I want to use this image number 2. So I'm gonna select U2. And it will create a new job for us, meaning it will upscale only that image. And yep, as you can see, quite fast, and you can see that it is really high quality and good looking. You can download that image and save it on your computer. You can view it on the web by tapping on this button. I'm simply gonna save this image. You can save it anywhere you would like, and I'm gonna get our second image, which is this prompt I'm gonna use. I gave the mount a name, which is 0. I'm gonna use this giant volcano mountain with lava flowing from the ground, some cloudy skies on the background, you know, like smoke and burned ground. Just giving it textures and atmosphere. Defining the atmosphere is a really important step when creating really high quality landscapes. Now let's give this one a try. Now we have some really cool variations for our mountain landscape. I will select volcano number 1, which is the best looking out of them all. Do let us know in the comments which one do you prefer. And here we have this image. I'm gonna save it. And last but not least, I think it looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna upscale it and move it to my third landscape. And the last prompt we have is, we're just gonna use a reference image this time. For reference, I'm gonna use this image, and then I'm gonna define the atmosphere. So let's see how that one performs. Also, by the way, make sure to remove the HTTPS from the link, as Midjourney does not support that. You just need to provide the link to the image directly, just like how I have done without the HTTPS, and you're good to go. And if you scroll down, here we have our landscape images for bridges and some dark atmosphere. As you can see, this is a really nice way to use this tool to generate amazing landscapes. Well, hope this video helped you. Also, you should definitely check out this video. And if you took value, let us know or give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.